Yeah, great.
So, come this side.
Yeah, sure.
Color is different. It's a good video for you. So, one stand here. This stand here. Yeah, once again, I will start.
Yes.
First of all, I'm heartily welcome to Badami. So, my name is Basavaraj. I'm working here since 20 years after tourist guide. I was studied a diploma in tourism from Hampi University. It was 2003. Since my professional as tour guide, today I will show you four beautiful rock cut temples. So,
Yeah.
Badami have a two hills. We are in the south. So,
Okay.
south will have a rock cut temple. North will have a assembled temple. It means they joint it one by one stone piece, then they made. But this is monolithic, like Ajanta, Ellora. So, what we see is the first one dedicated Shiva. When it was made, we don't know. No information. But as a historian, we find out 543 after first case was made this rock cut temple. So 543 AD, you want to count in 21st century, 1478 years running. For 1500 years back they made this rock cut temple. Compared to Hampi from here the south side 162 kilometers. Hampi, as I recognize it, 26 square kilometer, 83 monuments. So there would like to see one small temple, so like a 1 acre, 2 acre land, but big one 20, 30 acre land. It means later on temple architecture improvement, but earlier of the temple architecture only three sections. Mukha Mandapa, like a first part of the temple, second part pillared hall, third part sanctum sanctorum. So this is Badami's second biggest rock cut temple. As a historian, they took time 8 or 10 years, then they made this one. Then Chalukyan art and architecture, always like a square type of pillar, then stone outside the sculpture. I hope you heard the name Brahmian Buddha.
Yeah.
The Brahmian Buddha statues are stone inside, but these are the stone outside the sculpture we will see here. Have a look at the color of the rock. Looks like a painted. It's not painting.
Yes.
It's a color of the rock. Have a look here. Little bit. This is a, this is a very soft stone.
Yes.
Compared to Hampi there's a granite. Their nuclears are very hard, tight.
Yes.
So it's a hard stone. The nuclears are here is loose. So this is a chip by chip is eroded. So have a look. This is the interior. One layer was gone here. So have a look the color of the rock like an almond. Have a look here the big rock. You feel this rock looks like a Petra valleys. Petra have a tall stones. So this is the color of the rock looks like a almond. Any Indian language, almond is known as badam. So that's why name of the Badami.
Okay,
Because
so
the color of
that's color of the rock
Yes.
is because of the color of the rock, it is known as Badami.
Yes. So please come close. Have a look here. I told already the stone outside the sculpture.
Yes.
I hope you stand here is front of the sculpture. Yes, you know this is name of the statue, Nataraja.
Yes.
Normally in India, Nataraja sculpture 10 arms, 8 arms, 4 arms. But the first time Chalukyan artist was made here 18 arms, left side 9, right side 9. 1800 Nataraja. You know one more Nataraja from Tamil Nadu, Chidambaram. Chidambaram have a 1600 Nataraja.
Okay.
The first time Chalukyan artist was made here left side 9, right side 9, 1800 Nataraja. Why he was made here 18 arms? Because last 2000 years ago, in our South India, the famous classical dance Bharatanatyam. Still Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance of in our India. Some philosopher feel Bharatmuni was the founder of classical dance. So Bharatanatyam have been made dancing movement 81. So I will show 2-3 dance movement. Now look left hand side 9 arms, one hand front of the chest like this.
Yes.
The right hand side 9 arms, one hand like this. Now you see by this hands he made a full call. You know this portion goes to, watch your step, goes to Gajahasta Mudra.
Gajahasta Mudra.
Looks like a drunken elephant.
Okay, drunken elephant.
Yeah. Then one hand like this, Damar Mudra, holding the small music instrument in his hand. One hand like this, Chinna Mudra, teaching movement.
Chinna Mudra.
Two hands, upper part like this, Mayur Mudra, means big part dance. So just
Which dance?
Mayur Mudra. Like
Mayur Mudra. Okay.
So just permutation combination 9 into 9 or 9 cross 9. The all 81 dancing movement we see here. The entire world architecture is one fantastic figure. 1800 Nataraja, Nandi, Ganesha, then Ganesha brother, Kartika, Subramanya, he beating the drum also. Please follow me. This is the subject near the Nataraja. So, please come on. Come inside. Go inside. Yeah, this is the form of Parvati. This is Durga. So, she killing the demon by Sasura. The Mysasura, you know, this buffalo. So
Yes.
yes, he killing this demon.
Mysore
Yeah.
Mardani.
So Karnataka is very famous in Chamundi. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is near Mysore is a holy temple. Have a look at the right hand side, the right wall. This is a Ganesha. You know, very simple Ganesha. We say it's a Vatapi Ganapati. Normal stomach, only 2 hands, then no belly, then no jewelry. Yeah, it's a simple Ganesha. Have a look at Ganesha opposite is a Kartik Subramanya. So this is a what you say? It's South India's a famous god, the Subramanya.
Subramania.
This is a
Karthik.
seven more peacock. Have a look at the bottom, the Lilliputs. When we go to the next page, there I will explain about the Lilliput. Just observe the movement, body, hairstyles. It's a different. When you reach in the second cave, there I will explain about this. Yes, can you see from here how you recognize the Shiva temple? There is a Lord Guardian of Lord Shiva. So this is he holding in his hand the Dwarapalaka Titan, Trishula.
Trishula.
So it's this one. Just the 2 pillars have observed here. These are restoration by the department. Before 1956, nobody located this monument. So that moment someone broken, so it's restored by the GSI.
Okay.
And I know this is a basement of the temple. Just movement. I've looked at one beautiful corner because 90% pillar have a square, 10% pillar have a round shape. You see the round shape pillar, they are decorated. Then lot of pillar have a jewelry, flowers, animals they got on the pillar. Later we will see the pillars. And look this. This is the Ardhanarishwara, means of half belongs to Parvati, half belongs to Shiva. The Parvati has the bangles, earrings, lotus flower, and chains. Equal some ornaments is having. Half belongs to Shiva, top of the head, half moon, skull face, snake ring, axis snake. So half belongs to Lord Shiva. Then Parvati assistant, she holding her hand on makeup box, makeup lady. This is small vehicle, Guru Nandi. This is skeleton, one of the sadhu, devotee of Lord Shiva. His name is Gunga, but looks like a skeleton. But 1400 years ago, they wanted to see through this sculpture and then become equal in the society. So they made this one. One moment, please, behind. You know what is the pillar? Just wait. Wait. From here to here, this looks like a music instrument. Drum.
Okay.
This is like a tire. This is a cushion capital, this is a main beam, this is a support beam. The tire and cushion capital center, there have a one line that is we say load bearing. Can you see from the next pillar also? You know present flyover big bridge?
Yes.
Same technology, not in new. From the foundation we make a pillar. After that load bearing, after the cushion capital, main beam, support beam, centering iron, put concrete.
Yes.
So old technology. We are
Old
following.
technology.
Yeah.
Well, 16,000, 1400 years ago. They still have.
This is the angels, Apsara. But where Apsara have holding the sword, that is goes to Vidyadhara couples. This one. When we go to the next cave there, I will explain about this. Have a look, this is stand here, slowly watch your step. This is Adishesha, Nagaraja, King's Cobra. But looks like a half human body, half snake body, hands was broken. Please follow me. This is not from outside. Except this Nandi is in a one single solid rock.
Okay.
So the face was broken. Please see this is the combination of the rock. You feel looks like a marble. It's a natural color of the rock. When by work, rock like this. So this is sedimentary rock. Like
Sedimental rock.
yeah. Then have a look up the pillars all decorated. Flower design, jewelry and flowers. Can you see from here, there is a flower design. Still in India, 80% sari border, sometimes
Yes.
dress material. We will see like this. And look, this is sunflower. You know, sunflower is very famous in black and brown. Sunflower oil is good for human being. So my opinion, 1400 years ago they used sunflower oil. Because it's a stick to 100% this looks like a sunflower. Yeah. Have a look these very cute birds. Very cute birds. That's one. And have a look at the bottom is a lotus. The city is a lotus. The lotus means Hindu religion is a holy, pavitra. It means it was the prayer temple, but now this is just a protected temple. And the lingam is inside the rock they use. Then they made this lingam. You know what is meant by lingam? Around the lingam have a female anatomy, center have a male anatomy, both we say god of fertility. Mark to Deva, this one. So the lingam, pillars, they're all one single solid rock. But here no prayer. So many times people is asking why here no prayer? Because as a rule of archaeology, people want to see what is the original. So
Okay.
as it is, they prefer.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 week, 5 weeks. Otherwise, South Africa, there is a white elephant, the big ears, like this.
Yes.
And in fact, we will see like this type of jewelry. We say Gormala and Velgundu, the local names.
What?
Gormala and Velgundu. Gorgon is like a wheat model. Male Guntur like the beets, round shape.
Okay.
Male Guntur is a wheat model. That's one. Please come, we go this one of the temple. Just one moment, have a look here, have a look the females, the tourists, these are in Karnataka. Now with the COVID-19 there's no tourists, now is the Diwali holidays. Now the increase, I hope in the future coming good.
It should increase
So
actually.
now with the tourists, you see the colorful dresses, colorful sarees. So I told someone flowers and on the pillar, like sometimes we will see the dress on the dress. Yes, this is Hari Hara. You know Hari means Vishnu, Hara means
Vishnu.
Shiva. So half belongs to Vishnu, half belongs to Shiva. The Vishnu holding Caesar, Shiva holding it and actually snake. Parvati, then Lakshmi, Nandi and Garuda. You know Nandi is one of the birds, animal, that looks like a human body face is Nandi. The Garuda looks like a human body, some wings are inside. So easy to recognize is a Garuda. Then they wanted to say to this term, there are so many names of God, but God is only one. Hari Hara.
Hari Hara. So, okay. So this side is Hari. No, it's Hari. Hari. So it has a yeah, and Nandi is over here.
Yeah.
This is Hara.
Yeah, Nandi is over there, that side is belongs to Shiva.
Shiva. That side is belongs to
The
Shiva.
Garuda is there, belongs to Krishna.
Garuda is there.
Then this is the Lakshmi. This is
Lakshmi.
Parvati.
And this side Parvati.
Yeah, it means the two gods with the wife and vehicle. You know, wife and vehicle both is expensive.
Yes.
Please come. How it is expensive? I'm sure. I will explain later. See, have a look, please. This is in Sanskrit we say this is a Silpa Slesha. You travel in South India,
Yeah.
the Silpa Slesha we will see lot of. So Silpa Slesha means 2-3 animals, only one face. But here we will see the 2 animals, only one face, bull and elephant.
Okay.
Now I will show the difference. See the now bull.
Yes.
So
This is bull.
Yeah, bull nose, bull horn, hump, neck, leg, body.
Yes.
That's a bull. How you recognize the elephant? So it looks like a trunk and a elephant here, elephant body, little cover like this. So the elephant. So the 2 animals, only one face. Just a trick apart, no big meaning. The door guardian of Lord Shiva, holding it and trident. I look now from the door guardian, Shiva and Parvati riding on the bull.
Yes.
Just have a look Parvati sitting side. Nowadays our Indian ladies going on the motorbike. Like both at one side. Yeah? Very simple. Now we use bike, they use bull, little difference. So whatever it is, it's like a race cycle.
It's a recycle. Okay. So
So
we
where you were
that.
choose, then we go.
these are for rock cutting.
Yes, this is last 150 years back. Nobody no care these things. That time it was the big rock in this area. So remove the stone, build the houses.
Okay, they removed the stone from here and built the houses.
Yeah. So what we see the Badami city.
Okay.
The monument. You know the white color. These are all newly they use sandstone
Okay.
from the quarry, then built these houses. But now new technology. There is a big white color. There's a hotel. Behind the hotel there is a new Badami. That is the west direction in Badami. There have a lot of concrete houses. Now with the new technology, but bricks and cement bricks they use. But previously it was the sandstone they use. But now this is the protected area. Now no stone mining here. Then these are newly done by Archaeological Survey of India. 45 years back. I told there also some holes. So this is quarry. Please stand here. Have a look. Feel Grand Canyon, the big rocks. But Grand Canyon, like our district, very huge. There's a big river flowing Colorado. We have here the small lake. So this is a mini Grand Canyon. Why we are compared? But Grand Canyon, so many Indian people moving there. Have a look. We have a historical monuments here.
I know.
Yeah, that is natural. So we have here Colorado. We have here Grand Canyon. We have here Petra, like Jordan. Everyone here. So Badami rocks is a unique in India. So India, would you like to see like this type of rocks? Malaprabha and Ghataprabha, the both tributary they were in Krishna. So there we will see this type of rocks. Otherwise in Andhra Pradesh, Gandikota, The river, Penna river flowing there.
Gandikota.
Yeah, there we will see like this type of rocks. But Badami is a amazing rocks. So Badami, we say nowadays Badami, but before Badami it was Watapi or Watapipura.
Watapi.
So later I will explain very interesting story behind that name. Yes, please come. Now have a look. This is the holes here. In front of the plant, after the plant have a big holes. You stand here. Otherwise, would you like to sit in this place? Look the location. You cover the rocks like this. Looks like a South India map. Yeah,
Yes.
just natural. Yes, we have here the original steps. Around 50 steps are original.
Okay, these one.
Yeah, which one is the black one you compare? Left, right, have a look. Almond.
This and these.
Yes, these are all. So the original is the center.
Because these are single rocks and these are like bricks
Yes, assembled.
assembled.
Please come with me. I hope you stand there. See, this is the second one, dedicated Vishnu. Yeah, stand here. Look back. Like a Petra Valley. And get it. Similarity.
Yeah.
See the beautiful corner, beautiful landscape. This is the North Hill in Badami. So North Hill, walk and look is better. Have a look the bottom here, the iron gate. Through the gate, concrete road. Go straight after the tractor. So front of us is a big banyan tree. Near the banyan tree, a little bit red color. Red color, that is red color. That is in Bougainvillea. So
Which villa?
Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea.
Yeah, Bougainvillea. From there is the steps, more than 600 steps. Look a beautiful valley. Then 3 temples. End of the hill there is a Malagitli Shivalaya. Shiva temple lingam is there. Small temple is Vatapi Ganapati temple. Ganesha was stolen. Top of the hill Vishnu temple. Upper Shivalaya. Vishnu statue was stolen. Front of the lake is 1139 AD. Like 12th century later Chalukyan temple. Now is a Ellama temple. Exactly Vishnu temple. So this is a North Hill. You know the North Hill. After the Vatapi Ganapati temple, upper part, watchtower.
Watchtower.
Yeah, Ganapati temple around there is a fortification. Have a look, there is after the lake, there is a little bit white painting.
Yes.
Near the white painting, right hand side for us. So that is a fortification. Continue. Have a look, there is a moving like this.
Yes,
Some
yes,
steps
yes.
are there. Last 12 years back, it was no good condition. It restored by the ASI. They did very great jobs. So around the hill have a fortification. You know the 4 type of fort in India. One is ground level, like
Yes.
Vijaypur, Gulbarga, Bidar. One is top of the hill.
Top of the hill.
South hill is the top of the hill. Tipu
Okay.
Sultan was made here fortification. In coastal, Rani Abbaka, Queen Abbaka built in front of the Ullal, front of the sea. So there is a fortification. This is around the hill have a fortification. So it was 543 AD. First Pulakesi was made. So the authentic inscription is there. It means 1478 years back they made here fortification. So this is made by Chalukya dynasty. I look the beautiful lake. You know, observation is the most important. You travel in India, Chalukya use lot of nature. So the North Hill, fortification, temples. So historian feel top of the hill have a temple. In front of the temple, big temple, Vishnu temple, front of the temple, there have a palace. But 757 AD Chalukya dynasty was completely enough. So some 8th century they burn it. Because it's we are in the Deccan, too hot, 4 to 5 months. So they
Okay.
have a wooden palace. So they have a palace, temple, fortification, hill station. Then both hill center there's a just ground. Just built the front have a wall and out and inside is steps and one exit. Excess of water flowing here. So they use nature. Then this rainwater. They collect the rainwater. Those days it was a good water. So people drinking like swimming, skin disease was gone. Like a drinking or swimming. It was good water those days. Then behind the water, have a look, there is a Shiva temple.
Shiva
That is
temple.
a group of Bhutanatha temples. Yes,
Okay.
yeah, one moment, have a look this. This is a natural cave. So the natural cave, have a look, there is a lot of rock jointed, then nothing inside. Have a look, the left hand side wall have a little bit white painting. Center there is a red color.
Red
That is one
color.
Buddha statue was there, but it was broken.
Okay.
Yeah, that is Bodhisattva exactly, or Avalokiteshvara. How do you recognize the Avalokiteshvara? Where Buddha have a tall head, like a crown.
Yes.
This goes to Bodhisattva. Dr. Banerjee, the historian, mentioned his book.
Okay.
So that is a Bodhisattva. It means future he become a Buddha.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah, so this is one natural. So two is second number is a monolithic. So this is the outside have a Lilliputs. You know the Lilliputs have a everyone dancing movement. Present in Hema Malini ji. See, make one Durga dance. First movement we will see like this. See, going like this dance movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number we say Chinna Mudra. So both movements in Hema Malini ji Durga dance. Then present Hollywood, Bollywood heroine make like some dance movement. Have a look the second number dance. Dharmendra ji.
Yes.
Then count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number. See the hands like this, fingers like this. Pratik Roshan. Ikapalka Jina. He did like this dance movement. Have a look, one leg is up, then right hand like this,
Yeah.
left leg is up. So this is Jitendra ji. I hope you heard the name Prabhu Deva.
Yeah.
Mukabla song. Where is the leg? Where is the hand? You can't see. Yes, where is still very popular dancer, popular hero Prabhu Deva. So maybe inspired from here choreographer. Just we hope. Yeah.
Yeah, it is actually 1,400 years ago, and
Yeah? Yes, please come. Come up, have a look here. Like a gymnastic. One hand standing.
yes.
So these are the pygmies or Lilliputs. So this is the gymnastic. This is the door guardian of Lord Vishnu. Just turn here, have a look. There also door guardian. Then bottom have a Lilliputs. So there also one dead end corner going also the gymnastic. Still some heroes making going like this. You know Akshay ji?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe inspired from this. And it means they have a good knowledge about the sports and yoga. You would like to see yoga, you travel in Aihale. There have a one Lord Khan temple. It's very oldest. There we will see the very beautiful one yoga.
Okay.
Yeah. Then these are pygmies. Have a look these faces like a funny. So
Yes.
avoid the evil eyes then they made. Otherwise 1400 years ago this type of people was lived here. But we want research, then we get ideas. Previously I told observation is important. So you travel in India, only Chalukyan temple architecture we will see like this type of sculpture. So properly we want research, then we get ideas. Please come.
ಅಮೃತ ಮಂಥನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಂತರ ಆ ಅಮೃತ ಮಂಥನ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಂಕೇತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
I look the Lilliputs. See the hairstyle like a curly. Then someone holding the music instrument. So musicians, singer looks like a fifth number, sixth number like a dancer, like orchestra, dancer.
Yes.
This is Vishnu fifth incarnation holding the umbrella. Why Vishnu make a this for? He want to kill one demon king Mahabali. Mahabali was the great donator. So he make a this form. He went to his king palace, asked their 3-step land. When king was agree, afterward Vishnu make a this. This is a Trivikrama. You know Trivikrama is a Sanskrit word. Three means number.
Yes.
Vikrama means step.
Vikrama means step. Okay.
So Vishnu make a this form. First step put the earth is covered.
Yes.
Second step put the sky is covered. At the moment Vishnu was more angry, then he asked who's placing the third step. So we will see here only third step put it on his head and pushed in underworld. Then this is Bali followers, king followers. King have a wife teacher, then king have a teacher, Shukracharya. Then the king have a son. He requesting, don't kill my father, like this. Then this looks like a warrior. You want to kill the Vishnu. So the next cave, this we will see enlarged. Please come this side. Have look. This is a harbor painted. See outside also pink and black.
Wow. There's also a design over
This
there.
is 1400 years back. Have a look. Have a look. There is a border. The Vishnu sleeping on the snake Sheshashena. Bottom there. Have a look. The roots like a pink roots. You follow my finger. Have a look. This is a garland.
Which one?
Garland, mala.
Okay, yes.
Garland.
The painting.
Yeah. Then you have a look here. One female face. Similarity in Ajanta caves. Like this. Eyes, hairstyle, neck, shoulder, hand, body. Just have a look like this face.
Yes.
1400 years back, but all gone. Little bit here, diamond design.
Diamond design and swastik.
Yeah, swastiks are good luck symbol in Hindu religion. Around the swastiks are 4 angels, like a Gandharva. Then have a look, this is a very beautiful, as a unique sculpture in the Vishnu first incarnation. Watch was the fish. Center have a lotus, around the lotus 16 fish. Please come. Have a look, this is the Vishnu third incarnation. So looks like a human body, white goat face, then he holding goddess of earth. So this is a
Goddess or
he saved the goddess of earth, Prithvi.
Prithvi.
Devi. So one of the demon was kidnapped in this goddess. He went in underworld through the earth. So Vishnu made a just form because wild boar had a good tusk. Wild boar easy to touch this earth. So Vishnu made a just form. He went there. He killed the demon. Finally he preserved. He saved this goddess. This is Lord Broad King's Cobra family. This looks like half human body, half snake body. They give the respect in Lord Vishnu. So Vishnu came on the road like a Nagaloka.
okay.
Yeah, most important of Chalukya, the wild boar was the monogram of Chalukya dynasty, the Rajamudra symbol.
I've seen something boar with flags and
Where it is?
I think Hampi or somewhere I have seen maybe on archaeological
Yeah, very simple logic is they following Vishnu.
museum and that museum also. Yes.
Yes. Then have a look, there is angels.
Yes.
You know, every religion have angels. Someone told me Japan have angels with whale flying on the sky. But you read in Bible, their with wings flying on the sky. But our angels, no whale, no wings, looks like a absolutely flying on the sky. So angels means assistant god and goddess, like a messengers. Present, would you like to see the angels like a drone? Drone working like I hope so. Nothing in inside, just you want walk around the
Okay.
then come
Yeah.
outside, I wait here.
Yeah,
then
sure.
inside the sanctum sanctorum, nothing there.
Such a nice hall. Pillars, load balancers. This is also like the
Just please.
same type of like you showed me bull and elephant. Not.
Yeah, steps. Previous step small one. You see one by one is bigger.
Yes.
Yeah. Between the stone, open area, more than 70 steps are here. So this is the interior way those days. But 1996 it was closed. Then nobody know we can go from this way to south.
Okay.
Have a look the upper part. You know the behind the tree rock. Have a look continue up.
Yes.
Upper part looks like a cantilever beam. So upper rocks looks like a come down. But once in the day is coming down, today not now. Because it will take time, lags together. Because I told already, it's a sedimentary rock. This one. So by natural rock is there.
And that is fortification done over there.
Yeah, top of the hill fortification is a Tipu Sultan fortification.
Okay.
Yeah, please. Yes, have a look the right side. The right side is the one unique rock cut temple in India, I hope so. See, just you feel this temple front cut like a cinema scope. 70 mm screen. Have a look the color of the rock like an almond. Yeah? First we go inside this place.
Yeah. Please.
Have a look the right hand side. Already we saw this one.
Yes.
Killing the Mahabali. Yeah, the Lilliput, Brahmin guy, the Vishnu statue was broken. Let's come this side. Have a look this. The couples are here. You see the men dress bottom like a mini. So
Yes.
3/4. She have a heavy sari. Please stand here. Have a look this couples. This couples is like a slim, like a Bollywood heroine say. Zero size couple. It was those days like a slim. It's a fabulous couples in this temple. Please come with me. Stand here. Have a look. This is a king
Wow.
of Florida. Rice Darbar Hall. I hope so. You go inside. Go inside. That's why I told you come inside. Now you get it for videos. So this is the king Karira. The front we will see the king seated on the throne. Outside pillars are one type of pillar. Inside pillar, have you look, there's a palace pillar. Have you look the pillars which is painted. It's not painting, the natural formation of the rock. So we feel now we are in the king Karika. Around India, more than 150 rock cut temple, except Ellora, Kailasanath. I hope so. This is one beautiful rock cut temple in India. Just have a look. This is approximately 58 feet width, 60 feet length, more than 13 feet height. So I hope this is one fabulous in India. You say the micro art, yeah? It's one fantastic corner. So we say this is the fresh part of the temple, Mukha Mantapa, this one.
Mukha Mantapa.
Yeah, there is a Vishnu seated on the snake. But it means 1400 years ago, Chanukya king seated on the throne like that side. Have a look to the right side. Already we saw this one, half Shiva and half Vishnu. You know Vishnu holding the giant Seychelles. Shiva holding in his hand axe with snake.
Yes.
Yeah, I told we saw this sculpture from first cave. I told there Shiva and Parvati, Shiva and Vishnu is there, two gods with a wife and vehicle. You know this is the name of the statue, Harihara. Hari means Vishnu, Hara means Shiva. Already we saw this one in first cave. So there two gods with a wife and vehicle.
Yes.
So why here both don't have a wife and vehicle? Because both is expensive.
Both are
So
expensive.
you got idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they don't have. I hope so. The large. Sometimes Indian people we are asking why they don't have wife and vehicle. Some they gave answer. They don't climb up because so many steps are here. So many answers. Just funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't mind. That's the funny. Just have a look. This is a lion. It's
Narasimha.
a happy lion. You know Hampi, this is a Lakshmi Yoga Narasimha. In
Lakshmi
Hampi.
Yoga
Yeah,
Narasimha.
that is exactly Lakshmi Yoga Narasimha.
Okay, that big statue.
Big,
Yes,
big,
yes, yes.
Lakshmi Yoga Narasimha. So this is a happy lion. This one, victorious lion. Vijaya Narasimha, exactly. This name is very popular in Andhra Pradesh. Narasimha Naidu,
Yes.
Narasimha Rao, like this. It's very popular name in Andhra Pradesh. Then Prahalada. That's a Garuda. So Garuda hand was broken, their wings are there. Why this is? We have 1 minute. Please stand
Yeah.
here. Stand here. Have a look this. See, this is a Shiva
Wow.
and Parvati.
Shiva and Parvati.
There is a kid.
Kid.
Yeah. Shiva, on his head he put his leg. Then Parvati put there her hand on the leg. It means too much weight. So baby like a crying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kid like a crying. Go there. Go there. Can you see from here the baby face? Little go down back. Huh. Can you see from here the baby face? Like laughing. Yeah.
Yes.
It's a trick of artist.
Artist.
It's a local made. They say Aliguli game, but still I don't know. This is a tamarind seeds, put it and play. Maybe 4 members at a time put it. Maybe 2 boards are here.
Okay.
Aliguli, the name of
Aliguli.
the game. Yes, have you look the bottom, Harihara? You see the formation of the rock there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a natural formation, like layers. Layers. This start.
Yeah.
This is Mahavishnu.
Mahavishnu.
Yeah, seated on the snake. Snake body, snake wing, top of the head, snake face. The historian put it name this Mahavishnu. 1400 years back, Chalukyan king seated on the throne like this time. So how you recognize king seated on the throne? Left and right hand side, 2 women are there, both holding the hand like a hand fan. We say
Okay.
it's a chauri. The chauri bearers are here means king seated on the throne. Now Vishnu seated on the throne, Vishnu holding in his hand wheel and seashell, top of the head snake face. Then Garuda is there, human body looks like a wings. Then it's a Lakshmi. Yeah, it's a Vishnu. Then this is a wild boar, Varaha Swami. This one.
Okay.
And this is already we saw the Varaha Swami. However, this is inscription. This is a authentic dated 578 AD. Have a look, the monkey carry the water bottle. Yeah? Oh my God. Oh, open the door.
They know how to open it.
Because I have my hand having stone. See? This is very intelligent level.
Okay.
So who is the
Local people.
when you want to make a sound, it's completely.
Okay.
Yeah, this is I told it's an inscription. See this. Mangalesha inscription, this one.
Mangleshwar?
Mangalesha inscription.
Manglesha
Shilalik.
Shilalik.
Yeah, this is 578 AD. Mangalesha king was made this one.
Okay.
See the ceiling? It was painted black, green, herbal painted. Then center have a Kubera. The right hand weapon, left hand holding the money bag, the god of wealth.
God of
Come
us.
with me, stand here. See the Indra, the god of heaven.
Okay.
With his novel elephant or Airauta, around him Apsaras. He said Rambe.
Okay, he is on elephant.
Yes, on it.
Okay.
The name of the elephant is Airauta.
Airavata.
We walk inside and come back here later.
Yeah.
See the like a marble, the stone formation. The stone.
Sediment stone.
Yeah, sediment rock stone formation like this waves. But it's one single solid rock, this one. Someone by nature, we say air crack.
Aircraft.
Nobody
Okay.
no demolish this one. By nature, it's broken. This is a Chalukyan style steps. Both side
Elephant trunk.
lion face. Front of the step have a half moon, moonstone, Chandasila. Yeah. So everywhere, lot of you will see like this type of steps. Out of this area, you travel in India, anywhere you have a look this one, you feel this is influenced by Chalukyan architecture. Like the steps, like a square type of
Square.
more decorated like jewelry. So out of this section, the area, this is the influence in Chalukya. Then this is the sanctum sanctorum. Nothing inside.
Seems like a Shivlinga.
Pedestal. Yeah, like a pedestal. But it's a Vishnu temple. Please sit down here. This is the one unique sculpture. How you feel? Do you have any idea? Normally, guys don't ask the question.
This
Like
is
Brahma?
Brahma.
It's not.
Okay,
Brahma.
yes.
It's
So,
not Brahma.
but it has three faces
Yeah,
like
this is a Ganesha brother, Sanmukha.
Sanmukha.
Yeah, Sanmukha is a Sanskrit shabda. Sak means six.
Okay.
Sometimes Murugan have a six face. Subramanya have a six face. So he have so many names. Subramanya, Sanmukha, Kumar Swami, Murugan, Bala Murugan. Still in Tamil Nadu, 6 temple. So this is a Kumar Swami. So seated on this towel, peacock. So we feel the three faces here. Three face we feel back side. So he have a
Okay.
6 face. Are you sitting in front of us? This is a north face, north side. Your back side is the south. So this God always in the south face.
Okay, it
Yeah.
will be always on the south
South.
face.
So this is the very oldest in South India, Subramanya.
Subramania.
Very oldest sculpture because this is an authentic dated temple,
Okay.
578 AD. Still Tamil Nadu is the 6th prayer temple. I hope later. So this is a very old one.
Okay. So this is the oldest one. I
Yes.
think.
You travel in North India, you can't see like this type of
No.
sculpture. So South India is very popular. The South Indian God.
Okay.
Then it was the prayer temple. So the lotus is here. So
Okay.
lotus means holy,
Holy.
pavitra. So it was the prayer temple. Please come. It was painted. Already we saw the painting from second cave. Please stand here. Come with me. Stand here. Have a look there. Use the corner. Have a camera. There have a look. Two green face, two white face. Then there green lining, red lining. See here, man turban looks like a but it's a pillar. White one, white and orange. Here one lady sitting, but we can't see her face. You follow my finger straight. You see her black jewelry, black bracelet, breast, hands, legs. We will see little bit, but face was totally gone. So 1400 years back.
1400 years back.
Come with me. Stand here. I look these couples. You see this couple. You see the lady standing very stylish.
Yes.
The what you say, the left leg behind, she put her right leg, then right hand fold, then bottom the hand, her hand, the person holding her hand. Now you feel the person remove his hand, she come down,
Yes.
but it's a god and goddess, Shiva and Parvati. This is just depend upon coordinate artist.
Okay.
Have a look this. This is a happy couple, but less jewelry. Yeah, very less jewelry. Come with me.
And she is wearing like a Bermuda type.
Sorry. Ah, the dress.
No, not the dress. The not wearing sari. She is something like wearing
The
half
lady.
dress.
Lady.
Yeah,
Yeah, kache sari. We say short sari.
short sari.
Short sari.
Okay, this is short sari.
Have a look this. These couples are rich jewelry.
Yes.
Comparing the rich jewelry here, the rich couple. Behind we saw the less jewelry, so average couple. So 1400 years ago, people was lived here poor and rich. So economy going up down. Then this is a Garuda that looks like a human body, both side wings.
Garuda.
Then
Wow.
This is a happy couple. This lady have a transparent sari. See some lining, some flowers on the saris. Come this side.
Transparent sari.
She is not proper standing. You have any idea? Because the see drunken lady. It means when
Drunken
man
lady.
Is, yeah, drunken lady. When man is too much alcohol, how is the body movement they show here? So the
Okay.
drunken lady. Little bit come back. Stand with me. Say again painting. You know the black marking department was made. Center there is a almond color face. Little up the face, black eyebrow, black hairstyle, earring, white earring, white neck necklace, little bit shoulder, little bit chest. We will see her front one hairstyle, her behind also one hairstyle. So it was 1400 years back, herbal painted. Little bit would you like to see? Come with me. See the ceiling. All it was painted. up to there.
Wow.
Yeah. Then corner upper part have a look. That looks like a Chinese dragon. It's not Chinese dragon. It's
Which
a
one?
Yalia Yaksha. The corner. The
Okay, yeah,
mythological-
that one.
Mythological animals.
Mythological
Mixed animals. Yeah. Then this is the Ashtabhuja Vishnu. 8 arms Vishnu. Again mythological animals. Someone we will see someone broken here. Yes, this is a third gate. So last one more we will go there. Is dedicated Mahavira. It's a giant cave. Now no people. You go that corner, then make one video. So the beautiful.
What are these things?
The millstone. But
Okay.
why they use we don't know properly, but it's use it. No, little come this side. Come this side. Yes, now we can.
Wow.
That's why I told it's a very beautiful rock cut temple in India. Just to feel this temple front cut like a cinemascope, 70 mm scale. See their upper part, a Tipu fortification.
Yes.
Before 1784, Tipu Sultan was conquered this area. That time built on the hill fortification. It's really unique. The look Grand Canyon.
Yes.
Come with me. You want Colorado? So now no people, the people feel, oh Colorado, come with me. See, this is a Colorado. So they feel both sides. You cover the both side rocks.
Yes.
Feel Colorado. Yeah. Who have a good eyes, good photographer, he stand here get good photo. Sometimes only. But all people use the monument photography. Now this is the east direction. So the sunlight. Can you see from here? It's a beautiful Bhutanatha temple. Please come with me. Have
Yes.
the monkeys here. They're working. Yeah. Yes, Bhutanatha temple. Yes. Now you make one shoot here. See this. With the house, village, with the hill station.
Wow.
Not village, it's a city.
City.
Yeah.
ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಾ ಕಕ್ಕಿ ಕಕ್ಕಿ ಕನಕಮ್ಮ ಬಾ
This is the Bhutanatha temple, 7th century, behind the water. In front of the house also Bhutanatha temples. Then there is a, behind the water have a temple. After that right side the big rock. The rock, upper part of the rock there is a two small temple.
Okay.
You travel in Pattadakal and Aihole, in Badami, all place we will see the experiment. Because Chalukya dynasty was the founder of temple architecture. It was 450 AD from Aihole. Second stage Badami, third stage in Pattadakal. Around 3 places approximately more than 200 assembled temples. Then 6 rock cut temple we will see here. So
Okay.
previous stage from Aihole 1600 years back. So previously like experiment model, afterward they built in big temples.
Okay. So they created a model over there, and
Yes.
then they created this.
Yes.
Build those things.
The rock is there. Behind the rock, there's some statues. You saw? You been yesterday there?
Yeah, I've been
so-
yesterday, but I didn't notice that.
No, there is rocks. Then behind the rock, you walk around their steps. There
Yes,
have left, right hand side the wall have a rock.
Vishnu.
There is a Vishnu.
Vishnu.
After that, you walk. There is a Kosteraya temple.
Okay.
There is a one rock like fell down. There inside one Vishnu seated like a Padmasana, that type of statue. So that is sometimes they feel Vishnu, but it's not Vishnu. That's in the Mahavira.
Mahavira.
Jain
Okay.
temple. Yeah, once again North Hill. Yeah, the good light now is.
Yeah, I will take the photographs
Yeah.
again.
Then
We'll
one minute,
take
one
them.
minute.
Yeah.
See the females, they wearing the neck have a jewelry. So that type of jewelry we saw the first cave. That is in, I told it's a book.
Okay, that's.
Yeah, that is, yeah, see. Yeah. You travel in Bangalore, Mysore, you can't see like this. So here only we will see this type of jewelry. You
Okay.
see the sari behind, there's a flowers. Already we saw the
On
badami
those,
first cave,
yes.
yeah. So like in the chudi dress also like this. Yeah, the flowers. Yeah. Yes, you want to photograph?
I will take it later on. That's fine.
Yeah, so just 1 minute. Have a look. This is a video madaktar. This is last cave. dedicated Mahavira. So, Jain temple always out of the village or top of the hill. So, this is
Okay.
the top of the hill. This is a Jain temple. It's very small one. As a rule of archaeology, which rock cut temple is the small, that is very oldest. So, where you see the big one, rock cut temple, that is later edition.
Okay.
It means previously made Jain and Shiva. Afterward, third ruler Mangalesha was made to Vishnu rock cut temple. Around 38 years they took time, then they made. It means it was started 543 AD as a historian. 578 AD they finish.
They finish.
Yes. Come.
So smallest one is the oldest one.
Yes. Then here are the three statues. So Mahavira is a dedicated.
Mahavira.
Mahavira was the 24th prophet. So how you recognize Mahavira? Have a look here. Mahavira seated behind the beautiful pillow, lion pedestal, top of the head 3 steps. Then both Chaudhary bearers. So belongs to Mahavira. She is a devotee of Mahavira. Then this is Parshvanatha, 23rd prophet, the Tirthankara, the Akshini and Daksha, 2 assisted, not in family members. Then this is a one unique face. Have you looked at this? Bahubali. Bahubali.
Bahubali.
See, this is a keep smiling face, long hairstyle, laughing face. Have you looked at the beautiful eyebrows? This is, we say, Ajana Bahu. Ajana is a Sanskrit. Ajana means up to the knee. He has a hands.
Okay.
Then his followers. Ajana Bahu.
Ajana Bahu.
Yeah, it's very oldest in Karnataka. Then this is Mahavira. This one. So seated in meditation. Then there is a pedestal. The lion pedestal belongs to Mahavira. Top of head 3 steps. Then both sides have the Mahaviras. That's one.
Okay.
The wall have the statues. They are all Mahaviras. Because we recognize top of head 3 steps belongs to
Yes. Mahavira.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you. Thank you very much for that.